In this recording on our series of drill geometries, we'll be talking about the option of all circle arc centers, and we'll be also using the different filters that we have over here. All circles and centers is exactly what it says it is. If I click on it, and then we have here all circles and center, a button that says that. When I click on that, it will automatically pick every single hole that is on the part. Doesn't make a difference what level it's on, doesn't make a difference what the diameter of the circle is. It will automatically pick it. What you'll note is that although it did pick all these circles, it did not pick anything that was just an arc. For example, this corner over here, there's an arc over here. The center of that arc was not chosen. Let's undo what we have over here. And we have here the option called Include Arcs. If I click on this filter to include arcs, and then click on All Circle Centers, you'll note that the center of those arcs were also included. Now, you'll note that, like I said before, you have all different levels and all different circles. You may want to have to do every single one of them that way. You may just want a particular arc or particular circle size. So let's get rid of again of what we did by clicking on undo. And I have another filter here that says by radius. If I click on by radius, instead of all circles, if I click on this button by radius and pick this radius over here, you'll see the value of 12 goes in there and accept that. So now when I click on all circles and arc, it will take only those that are 12 millimeter radiuses and that are arcs. In this particular case, every single arc that I have here is a 12 millimeter arc. And if there's an arc that I do not want, I can always go into my list, say that first one is also 12 millimeter, and I do not want that. I can always delete that particular one, and that one will not be inside the geometry. We also have a filter called on Z level. I'll turn on that particular filter and I'll use all circles for now, and I'll even get rid of include arcs. Now I want only the holes that are on a particular Z level. What Z level? I can say I want all holes that are on this Z level over here. So now when I click on the holes, and let's first get rid of everything that I chose before by deleting all. And now click on all circle centers. It will only pick up the holes that are on that level. So those are the options that we have inside of creating a drill geometry. In our next recording, we'll talk about CAD selections and any kind of settings that we may have.